Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie. Have you noticed anything new? That is right, I am a blondie. If you're wondering why I've been gone for so long, this is why. And several other reasons. Today we're going to be doing a festive holiday party look, which is perfect for any holiday party that you're going to this season. I'm wearing my little reindeer necklace, you know, so I broke out the red backdrop. We are like going full festive today. So if you'd like to see how to achieve this festive holiday party look, then just keep on watching because I'm going to show you. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. Oh my god, this is too much. So we're going to try and ignore any glitter on the face because I did a look just now that I absolutely despised and I took it off, which just seems to be the theme lately. So we're starting over. So I'm first going to take this color right here, which is called Bear. By the way, this is the Morphe 39A palette, not the James Charles palette, just because I want to get more use out of the 39A because I don't really use her as much. And she's almost as new as the James Charles palette to me, so anyways, I'm just taking that color and running it through the crease. Oh my god, these brows are not even. Who gave you permission? I'm just gonna go in with the color called Sunder on a little bit of a smaller brush. I'm just gonna give the crease a little bit more definition. I'm looking out my window and it is snowing outside. There's apparently a winter storm heading to Texas. Sorry, Texas. It's not heading here, which is good. Apparently it's like just gonna miss us, which is nice because during our last winter storm, which was a week ago, I had just gotten off work. It's dark as hell out. It took me over an hour to get home. Like, I live 35 minutes away from my work. I decided not to take the highway. I took a back road, which usually takes, I don't know, like 37 minutes, maybe 40, and it still took me way over an hour. I'm gonna take this color back here, which is called Forever, on a little bit of a smaller brush. This is kind of like a burgundy purple, and I'm gonna take that through the crease as well, the deepest part of the crease, to add a little bit more depth, or I should say even more depth, and then also give it kind of a nice like burgundy tone. But anyways, yeah, I'm driving home going like 20 or 30 miles per hour on a back road, which I did on purpose. I chose to go down a back road so I could go slow. I didn't expect to go 30 miles an hour. I expected to go more like 40, 50 miles an hour, but it was not plowed. So I'm literally driving through like 6 inches of snow. And I drive like a little sedan. I drive a Ford. And I got into a really bad car wreck a few years ago, so I really don't want to drive too fast again, because like I got into a car accident in a blizzard. So I'm scared of going too fast, and like I live in a rural Minnesota town. It's smaller. There's a lot of trucks, you know what I mean? And so these big ass like lifted like black smoke exhaust like giant searchlight headlights, those kind of trucks, you know what I mean? You know, you see a lot of those in the area that I live in, and it seemed like every single one of them that night was going the same way that I did. And so my little sedan, I'm just trying to go like, you know, 30 miles an hour, and these bitches are wanting to go 55. They're like flashing their brights at me, and I'm like, go around me. Go around me. I'm not gonna go any faster. Like, if you wanna like hit a deer, hit a tree, like that's on you. Do what you want, boo. But I don't wanna die. Also, like if I wreck my car, I really can't afford to get another one. So we're gonna drive slow. We're gonna drive carefully. I'm gonna grab the MAC Smarty Pants palette, which looks like this, a really beautiful, like really warm bronzy kind of palette with these really beautiful like metallic pops. You could use this if you want to instead of the Morphe palette. I'm trying to get as much use out of the makeup I have as possible, so I'm gonna use all of it. I'm gonna go into this color right here called Something's Fishy, which is beautiful, and I'm going to apply that onto the lid with my finger first just to kind of see how that's going to apply. I'm just gonna go back in with that burgundy shade from that Morphe 39A palette, and I'm just going to kind of apply this to the outer corner a little bit more. When I did this look last, which is why there's glitter all over my face, we're not adding glitter this time, bad idea. I put some like metallic red on the outer corners as well, and then also a more like metallic-y foiled gold, and it didn't look quite right, so I put glitter on top of it. Also didn't work out. So I'm really glad that this shadow is more, not subtle, but a little bit softer. Oh my god. Also, if you hear a weird noise, I'm itching my legs because they itch so bad. I think I'm breaking out from my body wash, but I don't know because I used a new body wash today that is not Caress because Caress has broken me out in the past. So I'm using a new body wash, and I'm hoping that's not doing that either because honestly, I freaking hate being itchy. So I just took some Teddy eye kohl onto the lid, and now I'm gonna kind of softly diffuse that as well. I just kind of did like a thicker line on the top. So I'm diffusing that a little bit with a brush. If it's not my body wash that's like not breaking me out, then like what could it be? I'm really hoping it's not the new body wash too because I just got it and it smells really good. It's the Bath & Body Works Happiness Essential Oils body wash, and I'm hoping that it's going to cure my seasonal depression. We'll see. I am taking MAC Brushstroke liner, which is my favorite liquid liner, and I'm going to do a wing on both eyes. I know this looks really weird right now, but I promise once the wing liner has been popped down, it'll look much better. Wing liner is so hard to do on camera, I swear. With a little brush, I'm just going to add a tiny bit more gold towards the top part of the lid. Not coming down too much onto the eyeliner. I just want to kind of place a little bit more gold so you can see it a little bit better. This is pretty. I am okay with this look. And as per usual, I'm taking a wipe and I'm just cleaning up any shadow underneath the liner so it's a really nice, like, clean, crisp line. If your wing doesn't look perfect, it's fine. Literally, if you clean up underneath just a little bit, it'll look so much sharper. Like, look at the difference even. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the top part of the eyes. I'm going to zoom you out, and then we will do the rest of the face. I'm going to do my hair after this too, so I promise I won't look too unprofessional. So I'm going in with a little bit of Benefit High Beam. I'm taking this like pretty much all over the high points of my face, and I'm doing this underneath my foundation to add a little bit of extra glow, just because really at this time of year, my skin is feeling a little, she's looking a little dull, so I just want to really liven her up, even underneath the foundation. So my hair was lifted of color a few days ago. So I was like blonde, like everything was even and perfect. The girl who did my hair is the assistant manager at my counter. She's incredible and an amazing hairdresser. And I should have just like left it be. We got the stuff together so she could pick out the right things for my hair. And I asked her if I could use a shampoo and conditioner before my hair was actually silver, because we're gonna go silver next week. And she was like, oh yeah, for sure. But I shouldn't have, because now like the silver stuck to some parts of my hair, so this looks kind of like grayish and purple, and then a little bit over here too, but the rest of it is still really blonde. So my bad. I should have just stayed blonde and then like had her do it for me, because I am terrible. I think I'm out of this foundation finally, but I'm going to the Mall of America tonight so I can pick up another one, because This foundation is, she's just, I just look so good with this foundation on. See, I'm having a little bit of a hair struggle, but I think once I do it, it won't look nearly as bad. I think I'm also going to braid this back so that way you can see this part less and you can see this part more. And I'm pretty much just going to do that every single day until Tuesday when I get my hair done again. Because that's when we're going full silver. I'm going to get lightened a little bit more. So this is going to be a white blonde instead of a yellow blonde. And then we're going to tone it. But despite like my hatred of me fucking up my hair, it's still like, I still love it. She did an incredible job. I showed her a picture of what I wanted because I want silver with a darker blended root. And like I showed her a picture and she literally gave me exactly what I wanted. And even though we couldn't light my hair in one go, we're gonna do it again next week and it's going to look amazing. And I'm super excited because then I will literally be a mermaid. I used to have silver hair way back. I have like a little over 100 subs or whatever. And even though I do have a very small channel, I've been making videos since, okay, a lot longer than 2015, but I was making more videos in 2015. And in 2015, I had silver hair. And I want to go back. I want to go back so bad. Here is a video of me in 2015. This is a privated YouTube video, so you can't watch it, but I can watch it. But look at that hair. Like, come on. That's what I want. This hair is everything. Her makeup was terrible, but her hair was everything. I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe 39A palette, and I'm taking the color Bear. Again, I'm taking this on a really big brush, applying this to the under eyes because I really love warm shadows going like really low below the eye. So that's what I want. She looks sickly, but in a fabulous way. I'm gonna take this color all the way over here again. That one's called Sunder. And I want to keep this closer to the lower lash line. I don't want to take this all the way down like I did that last color, because I don't want to take a lot of darkness below the lower lid. I'm going to dip back into this Forever color over here. Oh my god, my hand is getting so tired holding this palette. And I'm just applying this burgundy to, again, like the lower lash line, keeping it really tight against the lower lashes. I just love a really good smoky under eye. I think I am going to take that Teddy Eye Kohl and apply that right onto the waterline. Next, I'm going to go into Baiana Bronze from MAC as per usual. That's my one problem with silver, is that at times it can wash me out, so I need to be bronzed up. Not that I'm not bronzed up usually, but you know, when I'm silver I just need a little bit extra. I had to buy a new pair of tweezers the other day, which is so annoying because my pink ones, my pink Tweezermans, I don't know where they went. By the way, I am using Soft and Gentle from MAC as per usual, but I didn't know where my pink tweezers went, my pink Tweezermans, which I love so much. And I needed them the other day because my brows were looking a hot mess and I had to do like my makeup, so I had to go to Sephora and pick some up. You know what, I'm also going to contour a little bit. I'm going to use the MAC Sculpt and Shape contour palettes. I'm going to take Taupe and Sculpt, which are these two down here. I just want to add a little bit extra just because like this is a holiday party look, you know. We can't skip contour. We have to go all out, you know what I mean? Okay, I'm also going to take a little bit of the MAC Silver Dusk highlighting powder. And then I'm just going to place this right at like the tippy top of the cheekbone. Just to add like some extra flair. For blush, I'm using Warm Soul, not Fairly Precious. And then to really top it all off, I'm just gonna go in with Hush Cream color base, just to really make this look super duper dewy. Okay, now that my face is done, I'm gonna do mascara and lashes off camera, and then I'll be right back to figure out a lip. So I did do lashes and mascara off camera, obviously. Oh, I didn't do an inner corner highlight though. I'm gonna do that right now. But for lashes, I used a stacked pair of 48s and 35s from MAC, my favorite lash stacking combination, and I curled my hair. And for an inner corner highlight, I'm using Soft and Gentle from MAC. For lip liner, I'm going to take Burgundy lip pencil from MAC. I'm just filling in my lips a little bit with the pencil. Then for lipstick, I'm going to be using Straight Fire from MAC, which is from the Shiny Pretty Things collection. It's just like a beautiful metallic red. Alright, and this is the finished look. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more of me, then just hit subscribe. All of my links will be down below, so Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Tumblr. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Have a great day.